this quick video, I'm just going to show you how to change the fuse on a cigarette lighter on a VW Volkswagen Golf Mark 7. So this ain't working. We'll show you how to change the fuse in it. So it's in the glove box. So we'll open the glove box up. In the glove box there will be two, under where the CD there is, there should be two buttons. There's one here. You can see that. Just push that up on the right side. And there's one more here on the left side. So what you do, you just push them up, hear the pop. Same with this side. That one, just give it a little push up. You hear that pop open as well. And that will release, that will drop the glove box. Now the fuse we need to change is a 20. It's this yellow fuse number. This 20 fuse there, so we'll change this out. Okay, so this 20 fuse here, just take this one out. So that's the broken 20 amp fuse. Change it for a new one. We'll put this in. So this 20, make sure it goes. Make sure you put it back in the right place. So that just goes there. Lower one down. That's back in place. Okay, so that's how you change the fuse. 20 amp fuse for your cigarette lighter. So you push the glove box back up, that pops straight back in, and close. All done. Now we have power to the cigarette lighter. Job done.